So in this video I'll show you a trick that you haven't seen before, how you can super clean your window wipers without touching them with a very effective and easy method. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Los kids. And over time your window wiper blades will get very dirty from all the grime and mess on your car. And especially if you let this sit very long, it attaches to the blade and it dries out. Here it is already very sandy and dusty. It's very delicate, so if you use, let's say, towels or cleaning aids and you rub against it, you can very easily damage it. Plus, yeah, it's not very comfortable. I have a trick where you can do this hands-free and the dirt will disappear by itself. Let me show how I do it. And I like to use this product. It's in German, Scheibenreinigerschaum from Liqui Moly, a very famous brand from Germany. It's basically a foam. And we're going to spray the foam on the wiper blade. It attaches to it and then it will dissolve all the dirt by itself. You can also use this on your window. Much more effective than regular liquid window spray because it doesn't drip and it actually attaches and starts dissolving and takes the dirt straight with it. Sehr schön. You can do it while the blade is in service mode, but also when it's down on the car. Ja, sehr schön. So, the whole blade is covered in foam and you can see what I mean. It stays on the blade and the cleaning is happening now while you wait and enjoy this nice German foam from this nice traditional German brand, Liqui Moly. It's a guy who has a lot of fluids, specialized in oils and additives, and I think now he has a massive beard and he's retired in the German Alps enjoying all the money from the company he sold. So while this is working, let's also do the one here that's laying. So. And then while you're at it, you may actually also do the window. I'll show you how well this cleans. See, it's full with oils, dirt, sand, insects. So we're going to spray the whole window. So because Liqui Moly is einfach geil, I had to write it on the window. Yeah, sehr schön. It's very satisfying to do this also. Let me know if you've used this type of foam before and what's your experience with it. I find it the best kept secret for cleaning these wiper blades. You can see it's run the wiper blades for a little bit. And as you can see, the window is super clean. There's not a single buck on it anymore. All the sand, all the dirt. Your wiper blades, they look like new, they feel like new. No more squeaking, no more scratching. Super clean without touching it. Thanks to this Liqui Moly foam from the window. And I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you've tried this. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.